If we listen to each other's hearts. Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Sorry, I just got a new mic and it kind of reminded me of a certain goofy movie that I used to watch when I was a kid.
Together's where we both belong. If we listen to each other's hearts.
We are here, week number 3, Thursday. And as you guys can see behind me, we got her running. Now, doesn't mean we don't have a lot of work to do. My goal was to have this thing running in 3 weeks, and we did just that. We got this thing running in 3 weeks. Now, we are gonna have to do a lot of tuning to get the water exactly where we want it and dropping exactly the way we want it to get the most sound out of this waterfall. But if you guys can just kind of take a look at the rest of the pond, this thing was empty this morning. We got a very generous borrowing of about 400 feet of 2.5 inch from Concord Township Fire Department. So I do want to give them a shout out. Thank you, Concord Township. It's my home township. It's where I volunteered when I was younger. It's where my mom got her start in her firefighter's career when I was a kid. So big shout out. They let us borrow 400 feet of 2.5 inch hose so that way we could actually hook to the fire hydrant that's back by the building to be able to fill this in probably about, we had this thing full in probably about 2 hours. So great shout out to them. Like I said, we've got everything running. All of our lights have been tested. We're working. And what I do want to point out is right here is this area right here. You guys see all the water that's getting pulled in. So we actually did a skimming intake. So it's pulling all of the water off the top. So any leaves or anything that drop from our trees, they get in here, are gonna get pulled through the skimming intake system. Our pumps are down there. They're what's pumping all the way up to our filtration system to bring it back down the waterfall. So this is a great thing to find right here, to actually see that it's pulling all the, you know, the gross, the nasties, the extra proteins and stuff like that. Because that means we're pulling all of that stuff to get it up to the filtration system, to get it filtered. This thing will clear up and be crystal clear by the end of this weekend. So that is everything here, guys. We got to get back to work. We got some more stuff to do, backfilling, some finishing, some edging and stuff like that. And I will actually be back out here over the course of probably the next week, finishing all of what you see here, all of this area, you know, getting, we got a mulberry tree that we're going to be putting in this area right here, but we're going to get this all finished, looking good, looking professional, and I'm going to hop to it. So I'll catch you guys later. See ya.